Hey guys, welcome back. New here. Sorry for not uploading for the past few days. I'm back this week, and I think next week I also have some travel. But just to update you guys, this is a new video about how you can compete as a mid-game player. And later on, we are going to check how I came up with these skill levels and what I'm working on as of the moment. As a mid-game player, you have to make sure that your items are organized. And whenever I do task work, I have this inventory for plants, cooking, woods, and stones and steel. You can actually rename the inventory that you have. But yeah, just in case I get this task, say for example, this apricot, since this is a plant, I open my plant inventory and then shift left click and it goes to my inventory here. So you guys can see that it's checked now. And for the others, like this one, cooking blue grumpkin puree. Okay, that's good. Slot tomato. So you can get it here. And then rainbow flour. So that is how I do tasks to make my dashboard easier. I also have to restock my items here every once in a while just to make sure I have enough. And yeah, going to my skills, you guys can notice here that I have level 50 for farming. Forestry is 30. Later on, we're gonna explain why I only get this minimum level. And then for cooking, 52. And I'm still working on this, aiming for around level 68. Mining only 33, and then woodwork I only have 26. So on and so forth. For business skill, I have level 50, but I don't find it useful as of the moment because we don't have much task for the business skill. I have here another tool or website that you can access. This shows you the minimum levels for pixel earning by amount, and this updates every time or every day, I think. Again, for my mid game level, I have level 50 for farming. So the reason why I settled for level 50 for the moment is because I get this 40 pixel earning if I get the minimum level of 50. The drop for this task is still by chance. So there could be days that you won't be getting this pixel task. Now for the rest of my level, I can get all of this pixel earnings. So that is what I get with level 50 level in farming. Now for cooking, what I get is this part right here. As of the moment, I am also leveling it up. In the future, I will have level 54 rewards as well. And this level 56 to level 60. For forestry, I only have level 30. Mining, I have level 30. So I get this too. So yeah, I guess that's just all the levels that I have. Not too many levels, but those levels give me coins every day. That helps me do tasks. You can work on different setup skills, but I choose cooking and farming as the best pair. Make sure to save this website on your browser. I will put this link in the comments so you can also check this from your end. This will really help you get an idea of which path of skills are you going to level up. Yeah, guys, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.